In 2011, Somali pirates launched 212 attacks on cargo ships, costing the global economy an estimated $18 billion. Fast forward to today, and piracy remains a significant threat to international shipping. Yet, modern commercial vessels are fighting back without firing a single shot. From high-pressure water cannons to deafening sound devices, ships are now equipped with an arsenal of non-lethal weapons that transform them into floating fortresses. This video exposes the cutting-edge technologies and tactics that have become pirates' worst nightmare, proving that sometimes the most effective defense doesn't require traditional firearms at all. Among the innovative defense mechanisms transforming unarmed ships into formidable opponents, one stands out as particularly unnerving. Imagine a weapon that can stop pirates in their tracks without ever touching them. This invisible force has the power to induce excruciating pain from a distance, leaving even the most hardened criminals incapacitated. Enter the Long-Range Acoustic Device, or LRAD, a primary defense tool in the fight against modern piracy. This sonic weapon harnesses the power of sound to create an impenetrable barrier around ships, emitting focused sound waves at levels comparable to standing behind a jet engine. The result is an extremely uncomfortable and potentially deafening experience for anyone attempting to approach the vessel. The science behind LRADs is both simple and ingenious. By concentrating sound waves into a narrow beam, these devices can project intense audio over long distances with pinpoint accuracy. The physiological effects on the human body are profound, ranging from disorientation and discomfort to acute pain. These symptoms are critical in preventing pirates from approaching too closely, effectively creating a sonic shield around the ship. One might assume that pirates could easily counter the effects of LRADs by simply wearing earplugs. However, manufacturers of these devices claim this is not an effective countermeasure. Sound can still reach the inner ear through bone conduction, the same principle that allows bone conduction headphones to function. This means that even with hearing protection, pirates remain vulnerable to the debilitating effects of the sonic assault. Documented instances of LRAD use against pirates have shown promising results. In several cases, these devices have effectively discouraged attacks, causing pirates to abandon their pursuit in favor of easier targets. The psychological impact of facing an invisible yet painful deterrent has proven to be a powerful tool in the maritime security arsenal. The question remains, can sound alone truly stop armed pirates from attacking? While LRADs have demonstrated their ability to deter many potential threats, they are most effective as part of a comprehensive defense strategy. The psychological and physiological impact of these devices can buy crucial time for ships to implement other security measures or summon assistance. As we explore the arsenal of non-lethal defenses available to modern ships, it becomes clear that sonic warfare is just one piece of the puzzle. While LRADs have revolutionized maritime security, ships must employ a multi-layered approach to effectively combat the ever-evolving threat of piracy. Let's turn our attention to another innovative defense mechanism that transforms a common element into a powerful deterrent against maritime criminals. While sonic warfare can disorient pirates from afar, ships have another trick up their sleeves that's both ubiquitous and unexpected. What everyday substance can create an impenetrable barrier around a vessel, turning would-be attackers into sitting ducks? The answer lies in a resource so common, it covers 71% of the Earth's surface. Water, the very element ships sail on, becomes a formidable weapon in the fight against piracy. High-pressure water cannons, a versatile defense tool, harness this abundant resource to create a powerful deterrent. These systems function similarly to riot control methods, projecting forceful streams of water capable of filling approaching boats and potentially sinking them. The contrast between water's seemingly harmless nature and its effectiveness as a defense mechanism is striking. Fixed water cannons can shoot in various directions to hinder boarding attempts, while rotating heads consistently spray water along the ship's sides. Some systems are remote operated, allowing crew members to control them from a safe distance and minimizing the risk of being targeted by pirates. An innovative water-based defense known as the water curtain system employs a specially designed sinker weight to keep the nozzle near the water's surface. This ensures that high-pressure water is ejected unpredictably, making it extremely difficult for pirates to board. The result is a slippery and chaotic environment around the ship, effectively deterring even the most determined attackers. As maritime security evolves, new technologies are being developed to enhance water-based defenses. One such innovation is the P-trap system, which involves thin lines floating at water level around the vessel. When pirate boats come into contact with these lines, they can become entangled, effectively disabling the attacking vessel without the need for direct confrontation. The combination of these water-based defense systems creates what can be described as an impenetrable force field around ships. By utilizing water in multiple ways, high-pressure cannons, unpredictable curtains, and entangling traps, vessels can establish a multi-layered defense that significantly reduces the risk of successful pirate attacks. Imagine a five-star hotel wrapped in razor wire and electric fences. This jarring image is becoming reality as cruise ships adopt increasingly aggressive anti-piracy measures. How do these vessels maintain their luxurious appeal while transforming into floating fortresses? The evolution of maritime security has led to a sophisticated array of physical barriers and fortifications on commercial vessels. These defenses serve as the last line of protection against determined pirates, transforming ships into impregnable strongholds. However, this transformation comes with its own set of challenges, as shipping companies must balance the need for security with maintaining the functionality and aesthetics of their vessels. One of the most visible and effective physical barriers is razor wire. This menacing deterrent can be quickly deployed on a ship's deck, preventing pirates from using ladders to climb aboard. The sight of gleaming, razor-sharp coils serves as a powerful psychological deterrent, often discouraging pirates from even attempting to board. Electric fences present another formidable obstacle, delivering a non-lethal but highly effective shock to would-be intruders. These electrified barriers can be strategically placed along vulnerable areas of the ship, further enhancing its defensive capabilities. The combination of physical barriers, surveillance systems, and safe rooms has proven highly effective in repelling pirate attacks. Case studies demonstrate that this multi-layered approach significantly enhances the safety of passengers and crew alike. However, the question remains: what happens when pirates successfully board a ship despite these defenses? In such rare instances, crews are trained to issue a mayday call and retreat to their safe room. This strategy exploits a critical weakness of modern pirates: their inability to operate complex commercial vessels. By denying pirates access to the ship's controls and crew, their leverage is severely diminished, often leading to the failure of their mission. As we look to the future of maritime security, the ongoing cat-and-mouse game between pirates and shipping companies continues to drive innovation. The development of new technologies and strategies promises to further enhance ship defenses, potentially rendering traditional piracy obsolete. However, this evolution raises important questions about the future of sea safety and the need for increased international cooperation to address the root causes of maritime crime. The evolution of maritime security has transformed commercial vessels into technological marvels of defense. From sonic weapons and high-pressure water cannons to physical barriers and safe rooms, ships now employ a multi-layered approach that has significantly reduced successful pirate attacks. This ongoing arms race between maritime security and piracy continues to drive innovation in non-lethal defense strategies. As piracy evolves, so too does the international response. The collaboration between naval forces, such as the Combined Task Force 150, underscores the importance of multinational efforts in maintaining maritime security. These joint operations, coupled with advanced technologies, have made it increasingly difficult for pirates to board vessels, contributing to a safer maritime environment. The future of sea safety lies not only in technological advancements, but also in addressing the root causes of piracy through international cooperation and economic development in vulnerable coastal regions. As we navigate these complex waters, the maritime industry must remain vigilant, adapting to new threats while working towards a future where piracy becomes a relic of the past.